Amazon Competitor Keyword Research. Amazon Competitor Keyword Research is the process of analyzing which keywords rival sellers are using to rank their products higher in Amazon search results. It involves identifying top-performing keywords that competitors are targeting in titles, bullet points, and product descriptions. This research helps sellers understand market trends, search volume, and buying behavior so they can optimize their own listings for maximum visibility and sales conversions. To perform competitor keyword research effectively, tools like Helium 10, Jungle Scout, or AMZS Scout are often used. These tools allow you to input a competitor's ASIN and extract the exact keywords driving traffic and sales to their listings. You can then use this data to refine your keyword strategy, focusing on high volume, low competition keywords to improve ranking and profitability. This ensures your listings appear in front of the right audience at the right time. In real-world use, successful Amazon sellers rely on keyword research to outperform competitors in search results. By tracking competitor keywords, monitoring ranking changes, and adjusting campaigns, sellers can increase click-through rates and conversions. Using competitor data also helps identify new niche opportunities and seasonal keyword trends to stay ahead in the marketplace. You can start using Helium 10 for free right now by clicking the link in our description. It gives you instant access to all the tools you need to perform accurate Amazon keyword research, analyze competitors, and grow your sales at no cost.